Living in the hills means getting used to unpredictable weather, but right after the rain shower, riding through these green roads is easily the best part of the day. Mart here always have these quiet, cozy corners. It's nice taking time to pick out something thoughtful without any rush. Once the mist clears over the ridge, you will get a full view of the valley. It's a quiet reminder of why people love the mountains. Evenings here are all about warmth and hospitality. Gathering around good food and spending time with people is really what makes this place home. Ending the night on empty, peaceful streets. Take it easy and see you next time.